everyone, welcome back to the Bubbly Dentist channel and happy new year, happy Lohri। और आज मेरे पास एक बहुत ही कंफ्यूज, बहुत ही हैप्पी, बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग वीडियो है एंड आई एम गेसिंग बहुत लंबे टाइम के बाद एक अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो भी। माय हस्बैंड हैज गिफ्टेड मी अ मैकबुक और मैं बहुत ही कंफ्यूज हूँ, बहुत ही ब्लैंक हूँ कि मैं इसके लिए रिएक्ट कैसे करूँ, बिकॉज आई नेवर वांटेड अ मैकबुक, आई नेवर हैड वन एंड आई नेवर थॉट कि मुझे एक मैकबुक चाहिए। तो मुझे बिल्कुल चलाना नहीं आता, तो आई हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट फीचर्स दिस दैट सो लेट्स सी हाउ डू वी डू दिस। This is the one MacBook Air. It has a power adapter and a cable. Let's see. Okay. Ta-da! What color did you buy, Nick? Nick? Blue. Okay. Pretty light. My last laptop was 1.7 kgs, if I'm not wrong. This one looks nice. Wow. It's nice. I like this blue. Like a dark blue or something. What else? इसके साथ we have a charging cable, a manual to use, इनका power adapter. That's it. Let me power it on. I have literally no idea which side it opens. Okay, so we figured it's opening from this side. Nice. Oh, so pretty. These are the customary hello, namaste and all of it. I think आपने मेरे iPad की unboxing में वो already देख लिया था. So let's not do this. चुप निकुंज. Alright. There was something else also in the bag. There was something else also in the bag. A magic mouse. How do you open this now? I think this is one of the most clumsiest unboxing video that was made. Oh, wow. Nice. Why, Babu? This fits right in my hand. Lovely. Love the design. I absolutely can't wait to start using this. It's lovely. Do you have to charge this? Oh, yes, you have to charge this. Comes with a cable. Nice. I'll have to read the manual because obviously I don't know how to connect them, how to use it. But it's lovely. Thank you so much. In this goes. Or should we start using it already? Okay. We should start using it already. It's truly a happy new year and a start to a great year coming. And please let me know in the comment section अगर आपने Mac use किया है, what are some amazing features that I should look for. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this small quick unboxing video with me. Bye.